Let's learn the days of the week together. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. The days of the week. Well done. Now let's try it a little bit faster. Here we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Fantastic! Now try much faster. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Great job! Now let's say it together. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday,